How to say these fractions. 2/5, 1/6, 2/7, 5/8, 3/5, 4/6, or simplified as 2/3, 4/9, 5/7. In the fraction 5/8, the number 8 is the denominator. Two-thirds is greater than 1/3. Two fractions that have the same value are called equivalent fractions. The line between the numerator and denominator is called the fraction bar. To make 6/9 simpler, we simplify it to 2/3. Numerator. The top number of a fraction. Denominator. The bottom number of a fraction. Proper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Mixed number. A number that has a whole part and a fraction part. Fractions. Numerator. The top number of a fraction. The number above the line in a fraction. In the fraction 3/4, 3 is the numerator. Denominator. The bottom number of a fraction. The number below the line in a fraction. In the fraction 3/4, 4 is the denominator. Like fractions. Fractions that have the same denominator. 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4. 2/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 2/6. 3/8 plus 1/8 equals 4/8. 1/7 plus 2/7 equals 3/7. Unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators. Common denominator. A shared denominator between two fractions. One half plus 1/3 equals 5/6. 2/5 plus 1/4 equals 13/20. 3/8 plus 1/2 equals 7/8. 2/3 plus 1/6 equals 5/6. 1/3 plus 1/5 equals 8/15.